Hello guys, the Saga Zero week 4 is live. So today I'm going to be sharing how you can do all the necessary tasks involved. Roll with me. So I believe by now you've already connected your Twitter for easy interaction. So you like it here, you retweet here. The more you do this, the more you have multipliers. This is multiplier here. Then this is the credit score you get. Then for reply, so you can go ahead and make a very nice comment. So you get back here, you verify your reply. Let's do it again. Yeah, verified. Now, this is another mission you're supposed to do as part of the week 4 task. So let's head to that mission and complete it. So I'm already following MetaverseHQ. Then you follow Padre app. You like and retweet. Reply to the chat. So we'll go back here and verify reply. So you create a Padre account. So put down your yeah and register. Now I have completed this mission. So I head back to the page here and verify completion. Now we mint our first on-chain NFT from Uniswap. So we're going to do some tax too. That involves some tax. The same follow Unichain. Follow MetaverseHQ. Like. Retweet. Then head again for so you head back, wait for a few minutes. So Now we claim Sepolia ETH, but it's going to be a long walk. So this is what I do instead. First off, I'll add Unichain to my MetaMask because I don't have it yet. The So I'm gonna add Unichain to my MetaMask. I'm adding Unichain to my MetaMask. So now I have Unichain. Let me reload this page. Yeah, I have Unichain Sepolia now. So I don't have any balance. So that interaction will not go through. So instead, I'll copy my address and go to my second wallet and fund from my second wallet. All right. So my intention is to send. I have Unichain Sepolia on this wallet. So my intention is to send to the other wallet. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay. Um, Let me expand my view and so I have this here. So I'm going to send. Okay, let me get that. Copy that address again. So send some few bucks there. Okay, now we have sent the Unichain. Wow, so fast. See, the balance has reflected. Oh yeah, let's move to what we have. So we have, in other words, we have claimed Sepolia ETH. So let's verify our holding. Verified. Let's mint. Okay. I've encountered this problem before, so I'm going to disconnect my wallet and connect again. So please, disconnect and connect again. So let's mint again. We are minting, guys. NFT is minted. You can see it here. And then you have completed the mission. So you can just head back to here and verify interaction here. Once we have verified interaction, everything is set. You can see our week 4. Our week 4 is complete. 5/5 objectives completed. Week 3 completed. Yeah, I started the task on week 3. So that's why you still have week 1 and week 2 uncompleted, and you cannot go back to a past week task. So that is why you have 7 days to complete, and here now it's already 5 days. So guys, if you need Unichain Sepolia, ETH on Unichain Sepolia, drop your address on the comment section. I'm going to send you a few. Thank you.